In this video, we will show you the benefits of a fully automated workflow, from data collection to consumable fulfillment. We will begin with the automated data collection from multiple devices through our fleet management system. This specially developed middleware system called the Evatic Service Hub, in short ESH, takes care of all interfacing between the Evatic Fleet Manager, in short EFM, powered by Printfleet, and the Evatic Service System. Here you can define all rulings and settings regarding mappings and scheduling data collection for meter counters and consumables. In this example, we have mapped the machines by linking the serial number with the machine ID in Evatic Service. If the machines exist in the Evatic Service system, the mappings will be done automatically based on the default settings defined in the ESH system. The meters configured in the machine also needs to be connected to the Evatic Service system in order to take care of all meter readings and toner management. The setting is as simple as mapping the machine itself. Every model has a specified name for each counter. As we have connected the machine serial number to the machine ID, we have to do something likewise for the counters per model and per brand. For example, this Samsung model has a counter called Live Count Mono and Live Count Color. In this example, we give you a short view on the settings that can be done to make sure the collected data lands exactly where it belongs in Evatic. In this instance, the data has been scheduled to be collected every morning at 2 a.m. That is also the time and date stamp you will see in Evatic when opening the machine card and see the latest readings. You can have one scheduled job per integration. The data will automatically be exported to the Evatic Service System, where all processes regarding meter readings and consumable fulfillment will be done automatically. Looking at the customer's contract card, and in particular the M2M tab, this customer has an all-in contract, meaning they will receive toner when needed, and the costs are covered in the click price, containing 9 machines of 4 models. This model is configured with 2 meters of 4 articles, showing the specific contract machine defined settings as yield per toner unit and coverage percentage. This machine uses the articles that have been defined as default on the model. If you want to use alternative articles, you can change these here. On the top of this window you see the order configuration, meaning the rules and settings regarding toner delivery for these machines in this contract. Order remaining days, the number of days before toner is empty based on the historic values of meter readings and consumable levels, triggering an order proposal. Soon remaining days, when order remaining days is triggered, Evatic will next look at the other toners in the contract that need to be replaced within the set number of days, here between 7 and 10 days. Evatic will then suggest to combine delivery of these toners. Minimum toner level. The absolute minimum level of the toner. When this is reached, a new toner will be delivered. This screen shows you all data regarding this particular machine, such as remaining days before empty. In this case, the black toner can last for 2 days before it is empty, so you need to send new toner. We will show you later how that is done automatically based on the rules and settings. The percentage level of the toner left in the unit. This also will be used in establishing if a toner should be replaced. M2M status tells you what action should be taken. In this case, it has reached the minimum level and should be shipped immediately. Last delivery date. When was the last toner delivered? If after delivering the toner to the customer, you do not see a peak of the level in the window below, that means the new toner has not yet been installed. On the other hand, if you see a peak in the toner level and you are sure you haven't supplied any new toner yet, then the customer has put in a new toner taken from somewhere else, or if possible, he has shaken the unit a couple of times so it shows a higher level. If such things occur, this will be shown here. The M2M consumable preview shows you all information regarding which consumables have to be delivered and when. The overview contains all data automatically collected from the fleet management system. The information you see contains current coverage on the particular device and meter, the remaining days before toner is empty, percentage level of rest toner, last peak reading, units used since last peak, and the current reading. In the overview, you see some marked lines. These lines are highlighted as something specific has occurred, in this case an unexpected refill, which means the toner has a higher level than expected from the last reading. An explanation could be that the customer has replaced the toner with an alternative one that you did not deliver, or the customer has shaken the cartridge, so it seems that the level has gone up. Another status is the soon level, which means these consumables are about to become empty in the next number of days, as set in the contract on soon remaining days. This feature prevents you from sending toner on one day and sending an additional toner the next day or days to the same machine or other machines at the same location, avoiding high shipment costs. We will select the minimum level, which means we will create orders for all toners that have reached the minimum level. When we click the button Create Orders, the toner orders will be put into the fulfillment order part, called Complete and Print Orders. We select all orders with the order type M to M. Otherwise, we will see all possible orders generated from elsewhere in the Evatic system, like spare parts from service, machines or accessories from sales, etc. So for this demo, we will limit the view to the consumables generated from the M2M orders and only for this particular customer. In this Evatic demo system, we also use the Evatic stock management module. So the system will inform us if we have a remaining stock or not, shown by the color status of the requested consumables. If the requested toners are out of stock, you can immediately create a purchase order to your supplier. This is one of the reasons to set the date of remaining days before empty correctly, so you have sufficient time to order toners from your supplier and deliver these to your customers. Evatic also contains a functionality called Automatic Shipment Rules, which controls whether your order should be delivered through your own stock or create a drop shipment so your supplier will send the consumables directly to your customer. The orders shown are all on stock and can be delivered from your own stock. The orders are combined automatically by settings to be shipped to one address, as all machines are in one location. There are two toners deliverable. For these toners, we will create a packing slip and send them to the customer, labeled with the machine number for which they are needed. When we open up the machine card for this particular machine, we see on the M2M tab that last delivery date has been set to today, as we have created the packing slip and have sent out the toners. As soon as the toner has been installed in the machine, you will see a peak in the level. As toners are included in the contract, the cost will be registered, which also has an effect on your profitability. You have scheduled the machines to be read for all connected machines, as shown earlier in the Evatic Service Hub and Evatic Fleet Management System. Generating meter reporting is an easy task. All data from connected machines will automatically be processed in Evatic. In this case, we set the date to today. In this example, 6 meters have been generated to be reported and invoiced. The Summary tab. Meters not reported will show all meters from which the data has been collected but not yet reported. The Invoicing tab shows you a preview of all customers who will be invoiced. In Evatic, you can define various invoice layouts and use them in the default setting of your customer and contract. You are able to have a very extensive layout showing all details, or just a brief layout showing a minimum of information. You are also able to use various languages in the layout and connect them to the customer. to ensure that the customer will always have the correct invoice layout with all information required. Starting up the invoicing process, the invoices will be generated and automatically sent to the customer based on the settings you have configured on the customer card. In this case, all customers will automatically receive the invoice by email in a PDF format. On the customer card, you can see in the column Last Status Date when the last meter reading had been done. In this video, we have shown you our fully automated workflow system using our bidirectional API with Printfleet automatically collecting data from connected devices. These are just 5 of the numerous benefits when using our Evatic system to collect and process data with the modules ECMM and EFM. Brand-independent data collection using only one fleet management system, substantial savings on toner usage, automatically combining toner shipments, automated workflow for invoicing meter readings, automatic creation of toner shipments. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. This is only a small selection of our solution for companies in the printing industry. If you would like to find out more about our complete solution, please visit our website or contact us at sales@evatic.com.
Thank you. Please like this video.